all. Welcome back again in my lecture in your own channel, that is the Spark Virtual Academy Sukkur. Before watching my video, do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. Today we are going to start our lecture number 2, and that is about the chemistry and then the importance of chemistry. Yesterday we discussed about the science and some branches of science as well. So today we are going to talk about the chemistry. As you can see here, chemistry, it is the branch of physical science. Physical science, it means we will study the non-living things in chemistry. Basically, chemistry is the branch of physical science which deals with the study of matter, its composition, the properties of matter, and nevertheless all the laws or the rules which are associated in governing the changes of the states of matter. In other words, we can say that how the states of matter are interconverted into the other states. Now these rules, these laws are also included in the chemistry. For example, how the liquid is converted into the solid, how solid is converted into the air or the gaseous states. So there must be some rules, some laws. So that is all about the chemistry. However, let's talk about the importance of chemistry. How chemistry is important in our society. Basically, all the branches of science, either it is chemistry, either it is physics, or biology, zoology, or botany, all the sciences have their own importance and they all are correlated with each other. However, in our today's lecture, we will only learn about the importance and uses of the chemistry in our society. If we talk about the medical science, chemistry plays a very important role in the medical science. There are so many drugs, the life-saving drugs, which are the product of chemistry, which are being used by the doctors, by the surgeons, by the physicians to save the lives, to kill the different diseases in the living organisms. They use so many medicines. So these are all the products which are the products of chemistry, and these are used in the medical science. If we talk about the industries are the places where the raw materials are converted into the useful products. Now, without the help of the chemicals or the chemical processes, these raw materials can never be changed into the useful products. For example, if we are wearing the clothes, these are made up of the cotton, which is the raw material. Now, how these are converted into the cloths, how the threads are made, so these all the processes that take place in the industries are generally the products of the chemistry. If we talk about the agriculture, about the farmers, so chemistry plays a very vital role in agriculture as well. In olden days, if any crop, if any vegetable, if any tree caught any disease, any virus, so the farmers were afraid that what to do with that. They were perplexed that what to do with that disease, what to do with that virus. But nowadays, the farmers are using the pesticides to kill those viruses. Now they can conserve their crops very easily, and they can sell those crops into the markets with the high prices. The farmers use the fertilizers as well. The fertilizers, they are used to fertile the lands, so that the land becomes useful for the next productions very quickly. The farmers do not have to wait for the long time of the periods for the next land to be prepared, because they use the fertilizers nowadays. If you talk about the transportation, if you talk about the vehicles, if you talk about the communication, so all the vehicles, either those are the cars, motorbikes, or even those are the aeroplanes, or those are the ships, or those are the trains, they all run by combusting the fuels. Now the combustion of the fuel, that is the product of chemistry again. class, and nevertheless, if we talk about the households, if we talk about the home, chemistry is present in our homes as well. For example, if I have to cook anything, then I need the natural gas. In other words, we call that sweet gas. Now that the natural gas, which is used as the fuel in our homes, is also the product of chemistry. In our homes, we use so many plastic components. For example, this marker is also made up of the plastics. Now the plastic is also the product of chemistry. Okay, after the importance of chemistry, let's talk about some important branches of chemistry. There are so many branches of chemistry, but however, we will only discuss those branches which are in our syllabus of 9th class, Sukkur. So generally in our course, we are having 9 branches of chemistry: the physical chemistry, the organic chemistry, the inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry, environmental chemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, and the last one is polymer chemistry. Physical chemistry. Basically, it is the study of the laws which are involved in the interchange, in the combination of the atoms or molecules in a chemical reaction. When we are having any chemical reaction, how the atoms or molecules are combined with each other, if we study about that, there is the physical chemistry. If you talk about the organic chemistry, all the hydrocarbons, all the products of hydrocarbons are included into this branch. However, if we talk about the inorganic chemistry, all the elements, the study of all the elements which are present in our periodic table except the hydrocarbons and their derivatives is known as the inorganic chemistry. If we talk about the analytical chemistry, if we start observing anything, if we start analyzing anything, and if we analyze the quality, the quantity of that thing, now that part is included into the analytical chemistry. If we talk about the biochemistry, all the chemicals, all the chemical processes which are involved in living organisms, either those are the plants or those are the animals, all those chemical processes which take place in the life, in the living organisms, are included into the biochemistry. If we talk about the environmental chemistry, in our atmosphere, there are numerous gases present, there are numerous chemicals present. If we start studying those chemicals and those chemical processes which are present in our atmosphere, then it will be included into the environmental chemistry. If we talk about the industrial chemistry, so again, all the chemicals or the chemical processes which are taking place in the industries are included into the industrial chemistry. If we start studying the nucleus of different atoms, how the rays are emitted, how the rays are absorbed, how the electrons jump here and there, so all those nuclear reactions are included into the nuclear chemistry. The last branch of the chemistry is polymer chemistry. Generally, it is the study of the polymerization. Now, what do we mean by polymerization? Polymerization is the process of making the plastic substances. In plastic substances, optical fiber is there, PVC is there, or any other useful product that is made up of the plastic is included in the polymerization. It means the small polymers start making the large products. Now that process is included in the polymerization. I hope you understand the chemistry, the importance of chemistry, and the 9 branches of chemistry in our today's lecture. If you are feeling any question, if you are feeling any query, you can put the question in my comment and I will try to reply your questions as soon as possible. So tomorrow, I will see you again with the next lecture of the same subject certainly. So till tomorrow, bye bye.